Today, my husband is installing this door, and I want to start by saying it came very well packaged, which I really appreciated. No damage or scuffs. Everything arrived in great shape. So it's important to note that it does not come with a frame or hardware. My husband already had the necessary tools, so he was able to drill all the required holes and install all the hardware himself without any issues. So this is a 24 by 80 inch solid core slab door, and it'll be going on our bathroom closet. I went with the black color, and I honestly love it. It looks bold, a little different, and adds a great contrast to the space. The finish looks really good, but pardon our dusty look, we're still in the middle of renovations. So the door is made with a solid core wrapped in MDF, so it feels sturdy and substantial, but it's lighter than traditional solid wood doors, which makes it easier to handle during installation. It's also designed to resist warping or cracking from humidity and temperature changes. Compared to hollow core doors, this one feels much more solid and offers better sound insulation without being overly heavy. I also like that the surface is paintable, so you can easily change the color down the line if you want.